Well, in today's Legal Minute, what would you do if you ever got hurt on the job? Here's Brown and Crouppen.
All right, today we decided to get out of the studio again and talk to you about what to do if you're hurt on the job. Most people think of job injuries as happening in a construction zone or in a factory, but they can also happen in an office just as easily.
When you're hurt on the job, unless it requires emergency care, the first step you're going to want to do is put your employer on notice. In other words, report the injury. Now, in every work setting in the state of Missouri, you're required to have this posted. This is from the Division of Workers' Compensation. Typically, it's posted in a common area like a break room like this is. And what this is going to show you is who you need to report your injury to. And typically, you're going to report it to your supervisor, or they may designate an HR person or an owner. It's also going to tell you who their work comp insurance company is. You need to report your injury within the first 30 days, and bear in mind, when you report it, you may be asked to take a drug test.
You got hurt on the job, you notified your employer. The next step is your medical care. The workers' compensation insurance carrier is required to pay for your medical bills. However, in the state of Missouri, the insurance carrier gets to choose who your doctors are. In the state of Illinois, you can choose any doctor you'd like. Once you've seen the doctor is going to determine whether or not you return to full duty at work, return to work with some restrictions, or stay off work entirely.
Just a quick recap. So if you're hurt on the job, the first thing you're going to do is report the injury to your supervisor. The second thing is you're going to make sure that you get the appropriate medical care. And third, you're going to follow your doctor's instructions.
You know what, Ed? These things can get very complicated very quickly. The best thing to do generally is just call a lawyer. It's always free to talk to them, and they can give you all the advice and handle it properly.
And if you have a legal question for Brown